Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic Sunday. We have a busy day scheduled. We are going to Orange Theory first, and then we are heading to Six Flags where we're going to try out a bunch of fun Mardi Gras food. But the first thing we're doing right now is we bought this crepe from Amazon, Crepe Maker. And Gabby's making her first crepe, and you're here to witness it.
Look at it.
We're having a Valentine's brunch, so this is her learning how to make it so that we can have delicious crepes, but I don't know what I mean.
It's not finished. This is my first one.
So give her, yeah, this is her first one.
Are you supposed to shove it in a corner like that?
Don't worry about it. It's new techniques.
It's gonna be good because it's just dough that's cooked. So, I mean, you can't, I don't know how you can really mess it up.
Hey,
Sadie says, she'll eat it, won't you, Sadie?
throw it on the ground.
Sadie says, I'll eat this.
Clean your edge of your thing off before it dries.
Look what she got. It's called Le Fabulous French Crepe Mix. I don't know if you like my French language there, but they only stay on here for 45 seconds. And I think this is definitely gonna have to be perfected. She's doing good though, I'm really impressed. I think it's gonna be delicious. What do you gotta put in the middle of it?
Well, nothing right now. I'm not there yet.
Oh, my bad.
You can flip it.
Yeah, it's just 45 seconds on each side.
Can you get out of the way, please?
I can't get this first. This is gonna be burnt more of it.
So you shouldn't go all the way to the end. This is what it looks like. Really?
Oh,
Okay.
Wow, look at that.
you were hating.
I didn't say anything about flipping.
We bought this Chefman Crepe Maker on Amazon for $27.
OMG.
And there it is. There's our first crepe. Let's taste that bad boy. Oh my God, is it good?
Great.
It could be flipped a little tiny bit more. We want,
That crepe is really good.
do we want,
I would definitely eat this. Too much. All right, so now we have one light crepe which is on top, and then we have a dark one on bottom, and the dark one's better, correct?
I like the dark one better.
Dark one is better, even though I haven't had it. Let me have a bite of that.
So we can do for Valentine's Day whipped cream, strawberry jam, powdered sugar, and cocoa sauce.
That was good. The crepe machine is
Look, you can make a ham and
the crepe machine has revolutionized the house.
Alright y'all, though, there we have it. Just did our Orange Theory workout. Just got back in the car. 45 minutes, it was tough. Loved it. We're heading to Six Flags now. A lot of fun. 45 minutes, like I said. You do some treadmill, you do some rowing, you do some weights. Great workout. Now we can go eat at Mardi Gras. This vlog is called Fun Now, Run Later, but you don't ever see any of the running, so, or the exercise, so I'm gonna start bringing that a little bit to you also. Hopefully reach our goals. But anyway, let's get home, get cleaned up. I'm sorry I'm breathing so heavy. I can't help it.
Why are you breathing so heavy?
We'll get home, get cleaned up. Let's get to Mardi Gras.
Alrighty, y'all. We are all freshened up. I'm wearing my new Mickey shirt. I actually got this Mickey shirt at the outlet mall in San Marcos, $12.99.
Cheap.
All of the Mickey stuff, that's right, it is cheap. All the Mickey stuff at that outlet mall comes from Disneyland.
Boo.
And Disneyland right now has not been open, so there's a lot of merchandise there. So we're gonna probably run back there this week and do a video over that. But I love my new Mickey shirt for $12.99. All right, we cannot make it to Six Flags. We are hungry. We stopped at Whataburger. And we got some burgers. $35.77. And she broke her hair. She broke one of Tina's hair things. Anyway, I got 2 hamburgers. I'm excited because I'm starving. I've only had an egg today. I had 1 egg. Or actually 2 eggs. 2 fried eggs this morning, that's it. So I'm hungry. I'm going to still be able to eat this and be able to perform eating at Mardi Gras Festival. I think I can do it. So let's get this food going. So I got those straight mustard Whataburger's best fast food burger right there. Dummy got the plain Whataburger. She never gets anything on her burgers. Gabby got a new number 4, which is cheese and jalapenos. Has it got mayo on it or mustard? You might have screwed up.
No, Whataburger doesn't have.
Yeah, they do. They have mayo.
No, their burgers are much mustard.
If you ask for mayo, they give you mayo. And then Tina got a Whataburger, just a regular Whataburger also. Oh, number 4. She got the jalapeno one also. For y'all that don't have Whataburger, it's lettuce, tomato, mustard, onion, pickles. Delicious. Bun's great. Very good burger. Very good fast food burger. Look at the amount of jalapenos on that burger. Alrighty, the Whataburger is done. It was delicious. I don't feel totally full, even though I ate 2 burgers. I still feel like I could eat more, which is good, because now I can go to Six Flags and chase those 2 burgers with some Mardi Gras food.
Yeah,
You can see that they're doing the dinosaur drive-thru tonight.
Oh, $55 admission price.
$55 to get in there.
Oh my God, I can see
right
them.
now.
Is this where I'm supposed to go?
Yeah, you're following them. I can see all of them right here without having to do drive-through.
We're moving, you know?
You've seen one plastic dinosaur. You've seen
It
them
looks
all.
like everyone's going through there. Is everyone going through there?
I don't. They've paid $55 to do that.
Wow. Alrighty, well, we made it here. It's much busier today than it was the last time. We were here, I think, 2 weeks ago. We're actually out in the second parking lot. It's kind of crazy. But let's go in here and try some of these foods. Here is Spazberg. This is where Bugs Bunny's at. You take a right, you go immediately over to the Mardi Gras Festival. We're gonna walk around a little bit though before we actually go in. This clock and the Hugin House of Voodoo has all been added since the last time we've been here. That's where you pick up your tickets at. That's kind of cool looking though. So it looks like pizza's closed. They're telling you for burgers and chicken tenders, you go to Johnny Rockets. I think this was open the last time we were here, but it's definitely closed. Fiesta, Texas is definitely busier than I've seen it for the last couple months. A lot of people here today. I don't know if it's because the weather's so nice, but yeah, it's busy today.
Thank you, Fiesta, Texas. We are the Kings of New Orleans Swing. You've been a great audience. Enjoy all the stuff going on here at Fiesta, Texas. Thank you.
Joker's going high. There's a lot of activity here. Look at that. I'm not going to get any brews, but they have them here. You see they get us with beer and some Pilsner, Hurricane, if you would like that. A Pim's Lemonade and Comfort Collins. But I'm not going to have any drinks. So this is the, this is the bacon wrapped voodoo. Bacon Voodoo is the name of the little food stand. I think I'm gonna go with the bacon wrapped Cajun pork ribs.
Why not?
That sounds good. So it is something different. She's actually back there warming something up on the grill. Looks like she took ribs out of one of these little containers over here. And then she's actually going back there warming it up and salsing it up.
We're gonna get the crab mac and cheese.
The crab cakes with Cajun sauce.
And the crab cakes with Cajun sauce.
We got 50% off our meal here.
Is that the Cajun sauce there?
Yes, that's the Cajun sauce. So we did get one Cajun sauce. I didn't have the other place. We're gonna go into Sangerfest, sit down, and try this delicious food. You're all inside Sangerfest. We're gonna sit down and have a taste here. A little bit of dirty tables, but we'll find a spot that's not dirty. It is a little dark in here, but you do have privacy. Alrighty, y'all, here are the ribs. Look at those bacon, let me turn the light on here. Look at those bacon ribs. My goodness, that's bright. But you can see them now though. That's That's some delicious looking ribs with bacon on them. She put them on the grill and then she spread some sauce on them, which was good. That is the crab. That's the crab mac and cheese. You see little pieces of crab in there. And then there's the crab cakes. Those look pretty good too.
They're just gonna look
But
like
they don't have any. They don't have any sauce. Yeah, they look dry.
I got sauce for wet ribs.
I know.
I got sauce for,
It's weird, isn't it? Is it good?
salt.
Need salt? You don't like it? Is it creamy? It looks dry too.
It's a little dry here. It tastes sweet.
Well, they probably put sugar in it.
Yeah, who knows?
Here's my turn. It's crab mac and cheese. Again, it does not seem like it has a lot of cheese in it.
It tastes like canned cheese, I guess.
Crab is sweet,
Yeah, it's sweet.
which is interesting. The mac and cheese, pretty good. Actually, I'm pleasantly surprised with this. This is not bad. You just need a little bit of salt in it, some pepper. So not bad.
Next up is Gina's already started.
Yeah, I'm in the crab cake. I like crab cakes.
Yeah.
His have a lot of breading in them.
They're good?
Yeah, they're not bad.
Good. Cajun seasoning good? Spicy?
This is not spicy, but it's good.
Alrighty, my shots. I'm gonna try one of these crab cakes.
You can tell that the girls do not like seafood at all, so they are disinterested in eating any of this.
Like, they're pretty...
That is a good sauce. Sweet,
yeah, the
a
sweet
little bit of
sauce-
bite.
The sauce is great.
The crab cake, good. Very hot. This is good. I like that a lot. That's really good.
You have a lot of breading mixed in.
Yeah, there is a lot of breading. But I would definitely get these if I came to this. I will say right now,
Not a bad choice.
I like those better than the mac and cheese, even though the mac and cheese is not bad either. Bacon wrapped, dip it a little bit in this sauce here. That is good.
That was a weird aftertaste.
The
It's weird, right?
the rib would be better without the bacon on it, but that's excellent.
It tastes like it was made a long time ago, early this morning. It's not bad.
The ribs, actually, the meat actually tastes good. It's got that barbecue sauce on it.
So they said Sangerfest has new meals here. So thank goodness for the app. It looks like there's a wiener schnitzel, a chicken schnitzel, a bratwurst. I'm gonna use a bratwurst.
I would do a bratwurst for sure.
That looks all new. Oh, a lot of cake here. Carrot cake and German cake. A Reese's peanut butter candy pie.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah, I would eat that for sure.
A bunch of cookies. And like I said, anything you can order in the app. They also have 3 different places that you're supposed to order Sangerfest.
And so that's all new foods?
I think all the Germany schnitzel things are,
Oh, wow.
are new. We've only eaten here once or twice and I don't remember
I
it.
think Six Flags is kicking up their game with their foods, which is good. Because I mean, you come to an amusement park, you want to eat. So having something that's quality, me,
Oh yeah.
having quality food is important, and I think they're getting better. So hats off to Six Flags, and hopefully they continue down that path.
There's the Proline Cheesecake. Looks like it's some pecans on top of it, and there's cheesecake underneath. Looks pretty good. I don't know if it's... Gabby said they put the sauce on top of it. They had a cheesecake there, and they put all the sauce and stuff on top of it. So, but it doesn't look too bad. How much did this cost? $8, and we paid... Was that
They're both 8. It's probably
yeah, so about $4 and $4 each. Again, we got the money off for the for being Diamond Elite members. Tina's trying it there. How is it?
It tastes like cheesecake cake with praline.
Praline sauce on it? Nothing.
It's just a plain cheesecake.
Is it good?
That's fine. I'm not a big cheesecake.
Did you get it again?
I don't really like cheesecake, but
All right, so I actually do like cheesecake, so I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna give you my expert opinion of it,
yeah.
because I'm an expert on this cheesecake. Very sweet. I like praline. Not bad. I would definitely get it.
It's fine.
It's
if you
good.
Like, if you like a
Good
cheesecake,
sauce.
the sauce is good.
So our last dessert that we have on menu tonight is the cannoli, and inside the cannoli with the ricotta cheese is chocolate chips. So it's chocolate chip cannoli.
Sure, yeah.
Let's try this out. Here we go. It's not bad when you eat the whole thing. I think you were just eating the middle of it. It's sweet.
I don't get it. I don't get a cannoli.
Yeah, I guess it's all right. The praline cheesecake's better. But again, this is not bad.
It tastes like they've been made a few days.
A few days.
The dough is not like the outside.
It's not dough. That's not the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a crispy dough like that. It's not
This
supposed to-
isn't crispy. At least this one is crispy. I've had real cannolis.
Yeah, I mean, we've had real cannolis before. It's not a real cannoli.
It's not that great.
Obviously, out of everything that we've ate, that's probably the worst thing that I've had. So all that food that we just purchased was only $22. We got like 6 different things. So not bad at all. I mean, from the standpoint of price, I mean, you could definitely make a meal out of it for $22 for a couple of people. If we hadn't ate at Whataburger, it probably would have even been better because I would have been starving. But still, it was still good. Really good meal. Alrighty, y'all, so we made it back. We are on our way to the house. We had a good time today, walking around. It was beautiful weather out today. The atmosphere at Six Flags was pretty cool. Mardi Gras is kind of contained in the Spassburg area, so if you're going to go see that, you know, all the Mardi Gras festivities up in Spassburg. We didn't ride really any rides today. Just didn't really feel like it. The lines seemed to be a little bit longer today than they had been in the past. So anyway, it was a fun day. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to this video. We appreciate every one of you. We love you guys. We hope you're making it through the pandemic and you're maintaining your sanity. This was actually a great day today, getting out, walking around.
Yeah, it was beautiful today.
Beautiful out. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. And remember, live problem free. See you. Bye.